Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel everyone. My name is Jesse. I am the host for the Green Eyed Ambition platform as well as the owner for Lux Giving. I'm excited to be coming here today to talk about the 5 reasons why event planners fail within their first year of business. I'm super excited to talk about this because I want to help you with avoiding these mistakes that I find that can often happen, especially with brand new business owners. So let's get right into it. I've had my event planning company now for over 10 years, so I want to give you these tips to be able to help with supporting you to avoid these mistakes that I find that entrepreneurs often fall victim to. The first one is going to be not networking with others in the industry. The key to doing this is making sure that you're not allowing yourself to feel as if you're competing with others, but you're strategically aligning with other professionals that are in the event industry. The reason why this is going to help you is because you are able to learn from others as far as what type of resources are available, how to grow and scale, to also just lock arms. Like, as much as we want to be out here doing everything on our own, believe me, community matters most importantly when you are on your entrepreneurial journey. Because if you're trying to do everything on your own, you're going to have moments where you're going to need some encouragement, some support, and to be able to learn from others. The key to it is making sure that you're aligning with like-minded individuals that are going to give you energy to move forward and grow and persevere in your business. Not ones that are going to talk down to you, have negative mindset that's going to hold you back from growing, but those are going to be encouraging you to do the things that you want to do with your business. When I started to lock arms with others in my industry, that's when I was able to really have major breakthroughs. I was able to connect with other planners, chefs, caterers, entertainers, decorators, because I was able to learn from them. So I find that when we put ourselves on an island where we are not locking arms with others, that is a quick way to suffocate your business to not get to the next level. The second reason why businesses can fail is because of not having a budget or a business plan. Yes, I don't think that we should get so wrapped up in all the minute details in the beginning because you're trying to test out if this philosophy or business model is going to work, but you still want to take the time to create a business plan. Whenever I've had coaching clients come to talk to me about, hey, I'm trying to get new clients, I'm trying to grow my business, I'm trying to get more traction on social media, and I'm like, okay, great, who are you trying to target? And when it's crickets, that's when I know that there's a big disconnect. Food and events are not general. Yes, every person eats, every person is going to drink, every person likes to have a good time, but they're going to be wanting a different type of fun. They're going to have different budgets. They're going to have different levels of expectation of service. When you write out your business plan, it gives you more clarity so that you are able to move forward. If you are stuck on how to create a business plan, I did do a video, so I'm going to make sure I put a link there for you to be able to do that. But also, I'm going to be able to connect you with someone that can help you in writing your business plan. I made sure I specifically went to connect and network with someone that writes business plans because I often find that people want to be able to grow their businesses, but they are not clear as to what kind of business they're having. You want to make sure you do this at some point of your first year of your business. It's better to do it sooner than later, especially for those of you that are wanting to get into business credit and scaling your business. You want to have strategic alliances, but if you are not clear about who you're serving, how you're serving them, and why you're serving them, which are all detailed in a business plan, even if it's a one-page business plan, that is something that you can look into. You may not want to do the 16-pager, but at least do a one-page business plan so you can have clarity on how to network with these people, where they are, providing a service that they are wanting, and then how to market to them. Because if not, you're going to find yourself building a business that's not going to leave you inspired to do what that was put in your heart to do. So you really want to make sure that you have a business plan to get you to the next level. The third reason why people fail within their first year of business is a lack of skill set to being able to fulfill on their business promises. But the way to avoid this is that you want to have mentors. That links to the first part of networking with other people. Please don't ever not humble yourself to want to shadow someone, to partner with someone, to allow yourself to volunteer to learn more about your skills, or of course get a coach, buy courses, go to classes for you to be able to learn how to master your skills. I find that businesses do not actually grow in their first year because they're not continuing that education. There are ways to be able to go about learning more while doing things within your budget. So you want to make sure that you are investing in learning more so that you're not only just learning the skill set, you're learning structure, you're learning how to provide the customer service that target market is wanting, and that can be learned while shadowing. I recently had a situation where I felt that someone could learn from partnering with one of my vendors, other caterers, so that they can learn more. But you have to be able to be open to learning so that you can improve. I find that if we do not take the time to continue to learn, then again, we are the cap. I like to use a CAP. Cap. So if you're not allowing yourself to grow, you're always going to be the cap on how far your business goes. So in your first year, you want to learn how to master your skills so that you are able to put yourself out into the marketplace the best way possible. And of course, there's only one direction from there, and it's up. But the only way that you get better is if you continue to learn and grow. The fourth reason why event planning businesses fail in their first year is having difficulty around finding clients. I find this not only a challenge for new business owners, but I find it also being something that happens for some more established ones where they have clients from all kinds of backgrounds reaching out to them, but they find themselves not always attracting the kind of client that they're wanting. And the reason why is probably because they skipped the second step, which was creating a business plan. So if you didn't create a business plan, chances are you're out here in these streets just trying to get any kind of dollar. But then what happens is that you find yourself building a business that does not excite you. Chances are you're stuck at a certain price point because you probably have clients that are not willing to go over a certain dollar amount, and you find yourself not wanting to lose those clients, so you underprice yourself to keep them, but then you don't know how to get to the next level. So if you're having difficulty with finding the clients that will pay your services at the quality that you're able to, or you're interested in serving people, you want to have a understanding, like crystal clear understanding of your target market. When you can do that, then you will be able to truly put your brand out there in the marketplace in a way that's going to impact them. For example, you may say, I really want to do weddings and I want to do really formal dining experiences. Great. But if you're only showing plates and things of that nature that might be quick dollar turnaround income opportunities for you, what may happen is that someone that is looking for possibly your cooking style, but for a formal setting, they're going to go to your Instagram, they're going to go on your website and see nothing but individual plates. So you're going to continue to attract people for individual plates, not for the corporate events or the weddings or the more formal activities. But if you don't know your target market and what they're wanting to see from a marketing standpoint, what's going to happen is that you're going to be putting out a message that's going to be attracting someone that you do not want to attract, which will often leave you frustrated, discouraged, and disappointed in thinking that it's not working. In reality, it's not that it's not working, it's that you're trying to attract someone that you're not currently talking to because of what you're putting out in the marketplace. And the fifth reason why new businesses do not succeed is because they give up way too soon. We see on Instagram and on these social platforms, individuals that were able to just turn their business around within a year, a month, and now they're making $1 million and they're now this new Instagram sensation, and they're getting flown all around the world to do these big fancy weddings. That can be the case. That's not the standard, that is the exception. So one of the things I want to encourage you is to be prepared to go the long run within your business. It doesn't happen overnight. For most people, it does not happen overnight. But it's all about you learning more about your client. It's about you perfecting your services. It's about you continuing to improve your skill sets, getting more clarity on your business plan and the direction you're wanting to take your company, and then continuing to learn. This is why I think it's super important for us in the food and event space to being able to understand that a business, in order for your business to go to the next level, it's taking it from a side hustle to actually treating it like a business. Going into it, understanding what do you really want it to look like, what are the type of people you need to have in your company so that it can succeed, and then locking arms with individuals that are going to keep you encouraged so that you can keep going forward. I am super excited about all the fun, all of the good things that are going to be happening moving forward on this channel. I want to see more event professionals thriving within the marketplace and having more success with attracting the kind of clients that they want and making the money that they desire. But in order for that to happen, we really have to start growing within our business mindset to hit those levels within our business. I'm super excited about all the upcoming videos. If this video has been helpful for you, please make sure to click the subscribe button so that you can see the new uploads every Tuesday and Thursday that's geared towards food and event professionals in our marketplace. For now, talk to you later. Bye.